3-star general disciplined after tweet to Jill Biden. College hoops recruit in critical condition. Father killed after being hit by car. Fry shop owner says trio's rampage caused $25,000 in damages. Nobody helped staff. Disturbing video shows laughing teens beat elderly man to death with traffic cone in Philly. If we don't fix homelessness, more New Yorkers will abandon the city. Ukraine dismisses ambassador to Germany. China tells US to stop smearing and attacking. Training for thousands of Ukrainian soldiers begins in UK. Russian-born Rybakina triumphs at Wimbledon. Germany's developing economic crisis is a fascinating study in self-harm. Millions of Muslims celebrate Eid al-Adha. Mosul schoolchildren still left behind, 5 years after ISIL. Sri Lanka's President Rajapaksa to step down on July 13, official says. Beach closed after at least one person infected with brain-eating amoeba. Star hoops recruit in critical condition after car crash that killed her father. Kamala Harris gets tripped up by interviewer asking her if Democrats should have codified Roe v. Wade.